This is RuneScape bar and ignore this. But I actually created a screen capture program, and if you want to get the code to actually learn how to do some of this stuff that I'll be eventually showing you, bring it up here. VisualBasics.net tutorials. Here's the link up here. VisualBasicsTutorial.com. It teaches you how to do a lot of cool things in Photoshop or Visual Basics that has actually helped me a lot with my projects and everything else that the book that we have just wouldn't really go into much detail. So it has taught me how to create a screenshot program. So let's see this thing in action, and hopefully it doesn't freeze my computer this time. Alright, so here we go. We're going to shoot, and there we go. Now then, if you want to change the area, we're going to drag this here, and boom. Nothingness. Okay, now if you want to save it, you hit the save button and it'll actually save it for you as a PNG. I believe that's what the code said to save it as. And I'll actually bring it up to actually save it as, yep, here we go, PNG. So let's take a look at the code. And again, to actually see more cool projects, go to visualbasictutorials.com, or just go to Google and type in Visual Basics. They have so many cool programs here, and they actually teaches you what each button does. Definitely awesome. Okay, so we got our form 1 here. So we got the button 1, which is the shoot button. So we got our dim area as rectangle, dim capture as system.drawings.bitmap. Now that is a system command. If you notice, they're blue. So, or like a light blue. We got dim graph as graphics. Area form2.bounds. Now, saying that is, it's actually linking this form to this form here, which I'll actually show you guys another video on how to actually add forms. I actually got a project created strictly for that. Okay, so we got to capture new system drawing bitmap, area width, height, system drawing image, that pixel format 32 BP or BPP RGB. Mouthful. Graph copy, system area X, area Y, 00, area size. Okay, we got that. Now then the save is to try, so we got another try, so save. So dim save as new save file dialog. That brings up the little save document you just saw. So we got save.title equals save file, save.file name equals screenshot, save.filter equals PNG, and then the PNG thing there. If saves, okay, so you got the if then, and then we got the catch, which I mentioned last video. Okay, and then we got the area, which is show form 2. Now form 2, all I did was change the text to click and drag. Let's see, control box equals false, and then I changed the opacity to 50%. Now then, with the actual form here, what you need to do for this is to go to shoot for the button, or whatever you want to name it, and go down to the anchor, which is right here. Okay, so for the shoot button, you need to be up, top left, right, top right. And I think that was actually top left, right, bottom. Nope, okay, not bottom. That is top and right. Could have sworn that was bottom, but eh. So then, and that's basically all the code needed to create your own screen captures. Pretty easy and pretty fun. I like doing these. The little projects from here. Let's see, we got show the desktop, bouncing ball, which I've done. I'll show you guys that later. Now some of these I can't get to open, but like, let's see. It's up here at the top. How to create a login program, stopwatch, keylogger, PDF reader, credit card type, zodiac sign finder. This site has a lot of cool things, and it also has lessons to teach you. So this is a very good site if you want to learn how to use Visual Basics. Again, that's visualbasicstutorials.com, or just go to Google, type in Visual Basics 2010-13. Let's go ahead and do that. Go to google.com. Okay. So let's see. We're going to go to tutorial, and they will be right there. Now, please note that some of the links are actually a little broken. Some of them won't open. Then again, that could be my computer. But all in all, definitely if you want to learn how to do some cool Visual Basic programs, definitely check here. This is where I'm going to be getting my codes at. Of course, I'm going to alter them a little, so that way I'm not completely ripping them off, although I am giving the site credit. Again, there it is. And this is an awesome site. It's actually, like I said, I've used it to help me with several other projects that I was creating to add extra oomph to it. And that's actually the end of the video for today. Please subscribe, leave comments, and as always, have a nice day. Live, love, game on. I'm going to be doing a couple more other things, like I might try to relearn programming with Alice, do a couple videos of that, and do some Photoshop videos. Now, the Photoshop version I have is cheap. It's, well, not like cheap, it's still expensive, but it's like a cheaper version of the nicer CS6, CS5, CC series that Adobe Photoshop offers.